Hello, here is Dinar and you are watching a video digest in which we cover the most important events in the history of the string transport development and the SkyWorld community company over the past week. In this release, the ambassador of the Republic of Paraguay has appreciated the string transport in the UAE. The string transport company developer has tested the Unibus performance during rush hour. At the testing center in Sharjah, the installation of rails on track 4 is well underway. Be sure to watch the video digest to the end because we have another important piece of news for all those who support the string transport development. And now, let us move on to the first event. Jose Aguero Avila, ambassador of the Republic of Paraguay to the UAE, has visited the testing center in Sharjah. The diplomat is interested in new technologies for his country and is in search of reliable partners, one of which could be the string transport project. During a tour of the center, Mr. Ambassador and other delegates took a test drive on the tropical Unicar, appreciated the advantages of the high-speed string transport, and got to know the project's technological solutions for freight transport. The guests were particularly impressed by the Eco House. The courtyard of this wooden building has its own ecosystem with plants, birds, bees, and a small pond. In the future, such buildings may be used in a new type of cluster settlements called linear cities. The 48-seat Unibus has been tested under maximum load conditions in Belarus. For that, dozens of people boarded the vehicle at the same time and drove about 1 kilometer. The test showed that the complex is fully prepared for rush hour operations. It should be noted that boarding on the Unibus can be from both sides. That allows passengers to enter the salon quickly and thereby reduce the time they spend at the station. Inside, the Unibus is equipped with sitting and standing places, the total number of which can be increased with additional modules. In the real conditions, the automated control system will allow to avoid large crowds at the station. It will shorten traffic intervals if passenger traffic increases. The installation of string rails on test track 4 continues at the testing center in Sharjah. The work is supported by project partners in the UAE, Al-Sar Al-Kabir Construction, Galadari Engineering Works, and International Engineering Consultants. Once the construction is completed, there are plans to test the new 25-seat Unibus on this track. Now this vehicle is being tested in Belarus and after that it will be taken to Sharjah. In conclusion, we share another important piece of news. Until the 19th of October, all coupons given to you by other partners can be applied to any standard investment regardless of the amount. We remind you that on the 19th of October, the project will move to substage 14.3. At the same time, the discount on investment offers in the personal office will be reduced. That means that at this point, you have the opportunity to get more shares for the same amount that after advancing to a new substage. With the coupons, the amount will be even more. That has been all news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you!